Do Renee Zellweger.
Go.
We're back with.
Do Renee.
We're back with who?
We're back with me, Emily West, and you have a fly in your hand. All right. Cameraman has issues. Wait, stop. All right. There's a fly here. Look, we're all just in this huge, awesome camp carnival, a.k.a. Country Gone Woodstock meets Woodstock Gone Country. Montgomery Gentry, Ryan Bingham, me, Emily West, Heidi Newfield, Montgomery Gentry, Little Big Town.
Who's
Heidi
the headliner
Newfield.
for this tour?
Headliner is Montgomery Gentry. All right, so this is the Country Throwdown. I'm on my first tour. They have bigger booklets, but this is better to fit in your pocket. You still have a fly in your arm. All right, thanks.
That's the guy from the radio station. Thanks, Dave.
He's the guy that gets, Mike Collada over here in Tampa, Florida. It's our first show today on the Country Throwdown Tour. I'm Emily West. You can find me on Twitter, as I said before in the other iFlip video. But right now, I'm just basically going on and on and on about this tour. Can I tell you something else?
Just between you and me.
Just between me and you, or you and me, whatever the verbal content of that sentence properly politically would be.
She's the teacher.
Hi, Lori. I'm just going to tell you something between me and you. This tour is filling every musician's spirit. Everybody needs this boost. Everybody wants to play their music. Everybody wants to meet the fans. We're all walking around with tequila, whiskey, beer in our hands. Bring the kids. It's a family event. And that's all, pretty much.
A lot of songwriters are donating merchandise, the money from the merchandise sales, and the producer, this tour is 50 cents of each ticket, will probably be going to his foundation, which will end up in Nashville when this tour is over.
What are they donating, for gas? So they can travel to
gas
the
money, yes.
Yeah, look, you can
they're
buy
kicking in
a
for gas.
bunch of-
No, it's going to the Nashville flood relief and
Oh,
all
I
that.
didn't know that. What?
Nashville Cares. Yeah.
Okay, Nashville Cares set up this really .com.
.org.
NashvilleCares.org.com. Okay.
Wow. You got it.
Nashville Care. Lori. NashvilleCares.org.com is donating all of their merchandise to help the flood victims in Nashville, right?
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Is
Who's
it
going to
correct?
argue with you on this end?
Well, either if they're putting it in their pocket or they're... Because we got to get to the next gig, you see.
There you go. They need the gas money, folks.
We need gas money, and we need some lipstick. We're broke.
Oh my!
Kidding.
Oh my!
Look it.
I'm
I just want to
flustered.
tell you all to come to the Country Throwdown Tour because it is fantastic. Can I see the angle you're getting on my face?
It's
Got your feet on there, right?
Oh gosh, you are fired.
I made sure to tell him before you
no. I've got you from right about.
Oh, please. All right. Oh, I need a clip. Oh, I look kind of thin. Hi.
If you turn to the side, you disappear.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We'll do an interview tomorrow, and I'll explain how cool you are to the
We'll be at
camera.
West Palm Beach. I know. Welcome to West Palm Beach. We don't mind. Can you see yourself there?
I sure can.
Oh, so these people need to come out on the road because you're on not the main stage, right?
Thanks for telling me that again. No, I'm not on the main stage. You can find me on the side stage, which is just
But-
as cool. With the Grove, Jonathan Singleton.
But that gets the
is
fans
lending
closer
me
to
his
you.
Band.
But that gets the fans closer to you, right?
What?
That gets the fans closer, and they're more.
Oh, dude, no, I'm not complaining at all. I at all. I'm not. Look at my arms. I've been working out. I actually just been curling my hair, by the way.
Even.
I've been signing autographs, which, by the way, it's just a big party. Come and bring the kids. It's fun.
That's it. Thank you very much.
Cut. Bye.
She's done.